December 6th, Stock Playbook. This is Dave Dispinette with a small sample of what we do on a nightly basis for our subscribers. Dow Jones up 52 points, 0.4%. NASDAQ Composite ended up closing down 6 points, 0.2%. S&P 500 up a point, 0.1%. Great opportunity to get short here. We have a nice run. We're butting up against resistance at the 200-day line. They might go ahead and try to set a little bull trap by letting us break through a little bit, but I don't think there's a lot more left in this rally with what I believe will be negative news out of Europe Thursday, Friday, as we continue to see that there is no easy fix to this euro crisis. Best way to play it, obviously E-minis, the S&P E-minis, because you can hedge them and you can have stops in place overnight. Next best way, SPXU. Back down in that 13 range that we talked about on a few occasions. You get long here, a close under 12.5, 13. You put a tight stop in place. You're risking 90 cents to the downside if you use 12.5 as a stop. 40 cents if you use 13 as a stop. But you're risking 40 cents to $1 to the downside to potentially catch $4 or $5 to the upside if this market rolls over again. SPXU. FAS ETF corresponding to triple the Russell 1000 Financial had a nice run from that 50 level up to 65. Gave us almost a 67. Sorry, gave us almost a 30% move. You got to take some off. You do not want to be long. They could go up, but you do not want to be long financials into this Friday, I don't think, with this European Union getting together and coming up with what I don't believe is going to be a fix. Could I be wrong? Yes. Could the market go higher and the financials go higher? Yes. But I think the risk is more to the downside. Open Table had a nice trade in there the last week or so. Take a little gains there. The options, the $35 or $37.50 calls that we bought for 55 cents. We trimmed some at about $2.50 yesterday, a little bit more today. We continue to hold this stock and the balance of our options. Best Buy has earnings next week. We think there's a great opportunity to short the stock as it's buttoned up against resistance at its 200-day moving average. Plenty of other plays at the Stock Playbook. Sign up for a free trial and see what you're missing. Have a good night. I'll talk with you tomorrow.